welcome back to my channel, delightful_Dawn, and today I am going to do the whole wave of the Jordyn Woods look. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling it. Maybe get some opinions on it, just see how I do my whole little natural look. The eyes are a little darker than hers, but I mean, this would be my natural look if it was natural, because I barely ever do my face natural, to be honest. So nice little glow, nice little, you know, just a little beat. Just sit back and do a little good. Ready with me? Please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If there's something you like to look at, please keep watching. So about y'all, I don't know what I'm doing here. That's gonna be something to figure out later on. But first, I'm going to kind of do my eyebrows a little bit, because Jordyn photo looks real sleek, real like flawless skin like, and that's what I want to go for. So I already primed it. I think my go-to is when I want flawless skin, would be most definitely be my Becca. I put everything on the screen that I use, but in the meantime, I would like for us to take some time to talk about the situation. Then all that we do, we should have a growth mindset. You know, one of the books I'm reading by Valerie Brown, she says a growth mindset sees strength as only a starting point, wisely taps into her strength, and then nourishes that talent. So both of these women are strong. I feel like they're going to bounce back. I pray that they find the strength to promote growth within themselves, because we live in a popcorn society, and I only pray that they can butter the situation. You get it? Butter, popcorn. But yeah, you know, I just want to promote only love and growth, and promote love and growth within themselves, because at the end of the day, these ladies both grew up together, and I hope they can find the strength to become a unit again and see the positive out of a negative situation that has, you know, bestowed their family. You know, with all in love, I'm gonna just keep on showing you what's going on, and don't forget to just lay back and just watch me beat the beast. No, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you know, share if you really want to just make Dawn channel blossom. Until next time, be unapologetic for you. Bye.